communicate to all Europeans and to know big world very well. I was born in Estonia. As you can imagine, I was nervous because I to recognize the language and my interpretation, but this time I will try.
Speaking of Tallinn, like Tallinn's main business is probably tourism, which, well, nature is quite significant part of that. So I would say that nature itself in Tallinn is a business.
Seda, mida on, tuleks kaitsta ja hooldada paremini.
If all the green was taken down, of course it will be much worse. I really love cities which are green, so it will be very bad if that happens.
What if some business interest comes and, hey, we built a shopping mall here and take down the trees? And
Well, first of all, it will be uglier, and in the long run it will be also worse for the economy. Also, because less tourists will be interested also in the city. A shopping mall is everywhere, but a nice green park and surrounding this historical place is very special.
What you would say if you see this?
That I don't like.
Yes.
No.
But this is what's happened here in the last days.
What they are gonna build there?
Yeah, they cut the trees.
But why? What's the...
Why? It's a good question, because they built the roots. So this is why we are here. This is a big problem, especially in Tallinn. So what do you think about this?
Oh, it's definitely bad.